Welcome back, guys. So by now you are already familiar with Google Colab environment, and using that we will be studying about strings in Python. So what are strings? Strings are just a sequence of characters. We will take an example of string. Say S1 is equal to I am from Shiv Nadar University. Okay, so strings are enclosed within either double inverted commas, or we can also use single inverted commas. We will take another example over here, say S2. I like walking. Okay, and now both of these are strings. Now we want Python to print these strings. So simply we'll write print and then print S1. Now to print, we will click on this run cell, or we can also press Ctrl plus enter. Okay, so it has printed I am from Shiv Nadar University. Let's change it to from. Yeah, I am from Shiv Nadar University. Similarly, I can print S2 also, and I'll run the cell. I am from Shiv Nadar University. I like walking. Now, what I want to do is see that how many characters are there in each of these strings. I want to know the number of characters. Either we can count it manually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, or we can ask Python to do it. What we will do, print, uh, we'll print and then write len, that is for length, the short form of length, and we'll say I want to find length of S2. Okay, this string. I want to find length of this string, and then I'll press run. So it has printed 15 over here. That means there are 15 characters in this string. If I change it to S1, it will print the number of characters in first string. It's 31 over here. Okay. Now, what if we want to make it all uppercase? We don't want lowercase letters like small a, small b, small c. We want all uppercase. So what we will do, we'll simply write print and then s1 dot upper, and then we will run the cell. Now we can see the s1 string is fully converted to all upper characters. And similarly, if you want all lower characters, we can write print s1 dot lower. We want all small characters, no capital letters. Now, in the original string, there was S, N, and U capital. In this, we can see it's all small. Even the I over here is small. S, N, U, everything is small in lowercase. So now let's move on to joining two strings. What if we want to join the first and second string? I am from Shiv Nadar University. I like walking. We will simply add the two strings. Print and S1. How do we add it? We use the plus operator. S1 plus S2. And now when we run the cell, we can see the output. I am from Shiv Nadar University. I like walking. So to make things clear, I'll just remove all the statements from here so that we can clearly see what this print S1 and S2 is doing. I have just commented everything. As you know, comments are starting with the pound symbol over here. So when I run, the Python will simply ignore these lines and print this one. I am from Shiv Nadar University. I like walking. Now I can see both the strings are joined, but there is no gap in between. I want a gap also. What I will do, I'll write another plus, and in between those two, I will add single inverted commas or double inverted commas, and I will write a space between the two strings. When I run it, I can see that I am from Shiv University, then space, and then I like walking. This sentence doesn't make sense, so we will add space and then again space. Now when we run it, this is a perfect sentence. I am from Shiv University and I like walking. Okay, so these were the commands which we can use with strings. Hope you like it. See you in the next session.